Hola clase. Today I'm going to introduce you to the present progressive or el presente progresivo. ¿Qué es el presente progresivo? These actions are going to describe things that are happening right now. For example, we need to differentiate the difference between the present tense, yo hablo español, versus what I'm doing right now. At this moment, yo estoy hablando español por teléfono. So en este momento, ahora mismo means right now. Unlike in English, Spanish may use the simple present tense to express ongoing action. I am speaking. I am talking. I am speaking Spanish on the phone. So two different things. Yo hablo español, present tense, yes. And present progressive, an action that is happening right now. En este momento, or you can say ahora mismo, estoy hablando español por teléfono. Always remember, we need to use en este momento or ahora mismo. It's kind of a phrase to introduce the present progressive action. What do we need? How do we form the present progressive? Once we understand, we know the present progressive are actions that are happening right now. We need a subject, I, you, he, she, we, they, and you, everyone. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, ellos, ellas, y ustedes. Then we need to conjugate the verb estar, depending who does the action. If it is I, yo estoy, tú estás, él está, ella está, usted está, nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ellos, ellas están. Very good. And then we need to have the main action. So I say I am speaking. How do we make ing in Spanish? Well, when you have the AR, remember we have AR, ER, and IR infinitive verbs. We're going to drop the ending, AR, ER, and IR. Then when you have a verb that is AR, like hablar, you drop the AR and you attach the ando. With the beber, for example, ER verbs, you drop the ER and you are going to include yendo. En escribir, to write, you are going to drop the IR and you are going to include the IENDO. That is the way that we make ing verbs. But remember, we need the subject, we need to conjugate the verb estar, and then we need the ing in Spanish, depending if it's an AR verb, ER, or IR. You are going to drop the endings and you're going to include ando or yendo. It doesn't matter what AR verb is, it's always going to be ando. It doesn't matter what ER or IR verbs are, you are going to include yendo, dropping the ending. For example, in this sentence, remember, we always need a subject, the conjugated verb estar, and the equivalent to the ing in Spanish. In picture number 1, Manuel is singing in the beach, okay? So, we have Manuel está cantando en la playa. Did you see? We have the subject, Manuel, is he. Conjugated verb, estar, in this case is está. AR verb, cantar. We drop the AR and we say ando. Manuel está buceando en el arrecife. Manuel is snorkeling in the reef. The same thing, we have the subject, we have the conjugated verb está, then we have the ing in Spanish because bucear, SAR, cantar, SAR. So don't forget the